Rock climbing season is almost here, and that means a lot of us are about to go to our favorite crags and do that thing we love so much as rock climbing. However, when we all gather into spaces, hopefully we're wearing masks, and also hopefully we're all packing a waste disposal mechanism. Sure, I'm talking about trash. I'm also talking about poop. There are many ways to get rid of poop, but in general as climbers, we should really embrace the idea of packing out our human waste. This is because a lot of us will recreate in desert environments where there is no humus soil, and even in the East Coast or other places where there is humus soil, it's not really beneficial when there's landmines everywhere for someone to potentially dig into. There are a lot of different types of wag bags, and each of them can have their own purpose depending on the situation. If you find yourself cragging a lot and not really going on really long objectives, then you can make your own wag bag for cheap just by using a doggy bag for walking the dog, a really robust plastic bag, and some zip ties. After all, you're not hiking very far, and you don't have to keep the bag in your pack. The middle tier of wag bags, often referred to as the blue wag bags, are often found for free in places. But you can also buy them for really cheap as well in big bundles. These are great if the bag only needs to be in your pack a little bit of the time because it is more robust. For really big objectives where the bag is likely going to be in my backpack for a while, I really want a robust bag. And they're a little bit more pricey, but they'll really save your backpack with smell, and they'll also be sure to not explode in your backpack. So let's all do our part this spring and through the summer and fall. And let's pack out our human waste from here on out.